Who will succeed Mohamed Muftakir, winner of last year's Golden Stallion at FESPACO, the Pan-African Film and Television Festival of Ouagadougou? While the award ceremony will be held this Saturday, March 2nd, the opening ceremony of the 23rd edition already took place earlier this week. In the Stade du 4 Août, dervishes, salseros, and more traditional dancers moved to the choreography of Burkina Faso's Seydou Boro, drawing the applause of more than 20,000 people. Africa's biggest film festival, which was created in 1969, will screen more than 170 films. Its goals are ever more ambitious.
The challenge today is not to produce for local or national market, but rather to produce and conquer global markets.
For the first time, the jury for the Golden Stallion, or Étalon d'Or, FESPACO's highest award, is presided by a woman, Ouzan Palsi. The legendary director of Sugarcane Alley and A Dry White Season, who was born in Martinique, is not alone. This year, all the juries for the different categories are headed by women. As for directors, Moroccan Nabil Ayouch, who won in 2001 for his film Ali Zaoua, Prince of the Streets, is the favorite this year with Horses of God. We'll know if he wins on Saturday.